These are for Mommy and Daddy. Whoa.
Wow.
Dada, look at this from right here, Dada.
Ooh, that's awesome.
That's what I wanted.
Where's Brody?
Why don't you give Mommy a kiss?
No, for Mommy. They're for you, but they're for Mommy.
What do you have there, Brody? Oh, animal
Step away,
stamps?
I'll find. I'll see. We're almost done.
Ooh, look at those stamps. Those
Okay,
are
Brady,
pretty
you
cool.
step away. I got a present for you. But
Honey
we're
bears.
gonna need a video ready and cameras ready for your present from Auntie D. This is from me.
Oh
Uncle
my
Chad and the kids, but mostly from me.
This key is
I'm the one who did it. It's all from me, Auntie D.